Hey loyals, hope you're okay, hope you're doing well, and if you're new, welcome to this channel. So today we're here with another unboxing. Haven't recorded in a while because it's been such a busy week. Doing coursework, all of that jazz, so finally got the camera out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed Valentine's Day as well, because yeah, as for some of us, yeah, we didn't get to, you know. But yeah, hopefully you guys had a good time. You can even comment down below things you did and things you got up to, but we'd also like to know. As usual, thanks for the support. Thank you for bringing us this far, and hopefully you'll continue this journey with us. But yes, like I was saying, as per usual, unboxings. We've got some sale stuff, and hopefully later on even some new and stuff, so you guys are gonna see. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. First box we have in here, we have a pair of platforms. Platforms have really come back in terms of fashion.
I never dreamt that
platforms would come back.
It just shows you how fashion is dangerous, Nisha, because
what goes around?
Like I'm saying, they put it in your face so much that now it's almost like platforms are nice again.
Yes. And I don't know how to feel, because me personally, I don't think I like platforms, genuinely.
I don't either.
Yeah, so it's like, now to give it a try, well, we're here for it and to see how things go. I'm going a nice neutral. I think with platforms, it's kind of a safe bet. I mean, some people would go for maybe a louder shoe because they know what to do with it, they enjoy it, they like it. But it's not for me. So this is going to be a trial run. We'll see how it goes. Open toe. You can see all of the nice sandal detailing. It's very girly, actually, in terms of the shoe. This one isn't excruciatingly high. Like the platforms I've seen, it's like, it's absolutely ridiculous. And obviously it's got, with platforms, you always have more of a sole in the front as well, so that it's easy to walk in. But yeah, size 6, and this was $29.99 originally. But yeah, I'd love to see mommy style these on me.
I think the fabric is a bit different, Isha.
The fabric of the shoe.
Yeah, like, yeah.
As in, it's not leather, or it is leather?
It's not leather, it's not, I don't know what it is. What do you think it is?
I have no idea. It says, oh no, it doesn't even tell you what it is. But yeah, it has a leather-like look, but it isn't leather. Yeah.
I think every designer has done it. Yves Saint Laurent, I think, was the first one I saw. And then, the popular colorful one, the Mary Jane ones. I don't know why these things escape me like this. I mean, if the designers are doing it, then it means we're wearing. That's a long and short of
that's
fashion.
How fashion works. So yeah, we'll see how we go with this. Like I said, not the biggest fan. I don't think I'll be converted. I mean, maybe I'll swallow my words, but I don't think I will. So we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. I'm very much excited for these. So
I think I like them. The ones that are loafers though, I won't lie.
Those are understandable. I can see the fashion in it. Still wouldn't be as, you know,
your go-to.
Yeah, but it looks nicer. I prefer it to like an open toe or normal round toe, because it takes me back too far back. But yeah, the loafer ones look quite cool. Again, I really mean it. Moving on, I have this pair of trainers. Now, the moment like my friend saw it, Essay saw this and she was just like, it reminds her of the blue Jordan ones, and I get where she's coming from with it. Really nice pastel color with the white. The whole aesthetic is like Jordan's, but obviously you wouldn't have to pay Jordan's price. And it's $19.99. I really like this. For uni, this will bang. When summer hits, then you'll be looking like the hardest girl in the block, you know what I mean? This is in a size 6. Was this for men's, or this was actually women's? Women's, so there you have it. I feel like I can feel the difference in men's and women's trainers from Zara, to be honest. And the way they do it, they are able to like feminize the trainer somehow. Make it more streamlined, things like that. So these pair of trainers, really like them. Really do. $19.99, as I said.
No, we got it for 9.
You got it for 9? Hi. Yeah, like I said, sometimes I don't know whether to risk waiting towards the end of sale, because it's like, I feel like all of the trainers that I would have got would have come down significantly. Okay, next box that we have here. Another pair of trainers. These look quite cool. They are.
I think the
low
retro
cuts.
thing is in a big time.
Big time. Like you said, that New Balance.
New
wave.
Balance did it, and I think Nike. Nike has done some as well. Is it Nike? They've done almost the same thing as New Balance. I say they want to also, you know.
So all the old school like retro trainers are coming back in. You know, the ones that have like the grandpa vibes, all of that stuff. They're all coming back in. This is also a retro classic. Like you would see your mum in an old picture in mum jeans and a t-shirt in a pair of these. And I think it just goes to show how classic they are. But yeah, these are from Zara. It has nice green detail running through it with the stitching and like the woods of green. It was originally $27.99, but came down. This is also in a size.
I think that was a 9 as well.
£9. So yeah, again, pair of jeans, and it's just really nice and very easy. And the thing is with white trainers, after a while, obviously they start to look a bit meme. So if you get a few £9 pairs, it's just like you're kind of stocked, and you realize that each trainer lasts a little longer because you have a few. So, because yeah, me, I don't really do black trainers. I don't know why. Black trainers don't really do me, but yeah. That was another pair.
Is there anything in that bag?
Yes, there is. Is this a hat?
Yeah.
Black bucket hat. So this bucket hat is actually, it's got an emblem on the front.
Lotto.
And it's one of the like short range bucket hats. You know, the ones that are like not wide rimmed. I don't even know if this fits my head, you know. My head is quite big.
Oh, it doesn't?
No. Is it small? It's small to medium, guys. And now this is gonna ruin my hair. But yeah, it doesn't really go down. Is it men's?
I can't remember.
I feel like this.
I learned on a Vitra and tea.
Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I like the idea of the logo in the front. We have a lot of plain ones, so this brings something else. And yeah, nice finish. If it rains, you're kind of safe. It's got that jacket-like feel. This was originally $17.99, but I'm sure it came to like $3.99, $4.99.
Most of them
just plummet during sale.
Yeah, most of them I picked for $3.99. So.
Alrighty. Next item is a bag. You guys probably have seen this one before. And it's just a quilted crossbody, really. And I like the way it looks. It's good for autumn, winter time, springtime, really. On those dark evenings.
I think when we showed it the first time, how much was the initial? I don't remember.
19 or something. What, it's come down, isn't it?
I think it was $7.99 or $9.99.
Yeah. Very nice, easy sling to use if you have errands to run. You have places to be. You just need something that will hold a few bits and bobs. This will do it for you. So yeah, and I just like the puffer. It's just a different element other than the leather and things. The obvious. This one is a little bit different.
What's that?
So this is the contrast.
Funny enough, this didn't come down.
It was the same.
It's the same.
Do you know what? It's popular, so they're not going to change it. Like when we were saying, the boots actually didn't go down, but I can see because it's a very popular.
What I mean, it didn't go down from how much we originally bought.
What's it from? Yeah.
It had gone down in sale
already.
But it stayed. It's never gone down again. So I thought I'm just.
You pick it up, yeah. The brown contrast bottom. I think it's because of how popular it is. If they can get more people to get it at that price, then why not?
But my vision was to actually change the bottom to
yeah,
green.
You said this. Yeah. So that we have that Bottega one.
Works, yeah.
Yeah, and I think that'll look really, really
and
cool.
I think it's quite different. I see it as something that you can wear for years.
Yeah.
It's like a staple or a classic.
Yeah.
I see it as a classic, I don't lie.
Yeah, same. And even on Instagram, I've seen quite a few people with these boots. And it's like different types of aesthetics find a way to use this exact same boot. So that's how you know, obviously, it crosses borders as well. So I feel like irrespective of your style, you can incorporate it.
If you're a grandmother, you're wearing your tent dresses and whatnot.
You look cute.
Yeah.
It got
it's 100
109 is the original price. So I mean, yeah.
Not bad. Not
too shabby. So last box, we have a jacket in. Obviously you guys have seen some of the aviators and the shirlings and things that we picked up already. And this was another one. It's obviously in like a beige all around monochrome from the shirling to the actual suede at the front.
Nisha, can you believe that they said neutrals and nudes are out?
Out? What do you mean?
Like, it's not in season.
It's not in season anymore. No, understandable. The way I've been seeing colour, it's like colour across the board, whether it's autumn, whatever.
I don't know, maybe some black people have intruded into the design world
and have just sparks, and it's brought life into the fashion.
I said black colour.
Colour all
fuchsia.
You told me one of the blues, saloon blue.
Surreal blue also.
Yeah, there's so many.
You know the Double Wise Prada thing, the lady.
The film, yeah.
Yeah, she was trying to describe. I mean, somebody said a color, and then she mentioned the surreal blue. I said, hey.
They're really up the game. But I'm happy now because I feel like they're trying to normalize the color for everyone and help everyone on how to use it.
I don't know if everybody can jump on it though.
Yeah, not everyone will. Not everyone will, and that's fine as well.
I think for us black people, we've always been colorful, so it's nothing new.
It's nothing new for us.
Yeah,
it's true. But yes, this neutral jacket. I mean, it has a really nice, cute hood. It's a very nice. It's just a cute piece, I think. And for
I just see this with the high-waisted jeans and then like a crop top.
Really done
on, and then white sneakers.
Is this men's or women's?
It's men's.
Yeah,
it's men's.
The shoulders just gave it away a little. I was just like,
I wanted to style and a B with it, and obviously we can also use it for styling.
And as well, yeah. So the size of this jacket is an XL, and yeah, I think how much was this jacket? Originally 89.
Yeah, but I got it for 19. I think the quality is there.
Yeah, it is. You can feel it.
I think it's more of the quality and the style. Not so much the color even. Yeah, the color is not bad, but the style and then
style
the
is
quality.
What we're reaching for. So yeah, there's this jacket, and in the same box, which I love, is this bag.
Anisha, I'm not sure whether the quality
is worth it. It's really nice. It has this basically denim look. It's not actually denim, and it's like patchwork, so it's really, really cool.
Yeah, quilted patchwork.
Quilted, soft, easy. Obviously, like Mom said, quality wise, and that's the thing with fabric totes. They're not really long term use very much. It's like really a season, because if it rains, if you put it down weirdly, you can just lose its integrity.
And now they say that the mini bags are out. So now the largest bag you can ever find. That's what's gonna come out. That's interesting.
Well, that works in my favour because I carry the whole world wherever I go. Medium and originally $49.99, which I probably would have never picked up for because it's very, very, very.
I think it was 19 eventually. Even at 19, I wasn't so happy about it, but I thought okay.
Yeah, but I like the aesthetic. Like whatever you wear with it comes in as a denim or neutral, so it really, really works. I like the way this looks. Might be a keep.
Is that it?
There's one more in the box, or two more in the box. So we've got some trainers in here. I like the look of it.
Still the New Balance.
Yeah, no, this is actually like the Reebok's clubs. Have you seen these before? I'll insert a picture, but this is from back in the day when Reebok was like, oh, you can't do Nike, but your mom can do Reebok. That's what she would get you. And the clubs, they look so nice. Really nice, simple lines, very easy to work with. If you whatever you want.
I think everybody's going back to the
old designs, which I like. Size 7, I think it is, and originally $49.99, but feels good. A solid sole. It just feels very, very
And like Nisha said, white sneakers. I don't know. Maybe it's the Zara ones. Maybe you have the Nikes and your white one, the popular one. What is it called?
Air Forces.
The Air Forces and all those things. Do they stay crisp white for a longer time than the Zara? Because at least you've tried both. I
think with everything, it's just your care. Because I think they all can stay quite clean. Because they're all very easy wipe.
Okay.
So it depends on how you care for them. And some people don't mind the ruggedy look of their trainer, so they leave it. But yeah, I would say they're very similar. Very, very similar. Yeah. So these Reebok clubs, if you guys... I was very shocked that you picked this up because it's one of the trainers on my bucket list, you know?
Oh, really? Yeah. At least I've given you a present. a dupe,
A
a version
dupe,
of
exactly.
what you're looking for. I think this is the same as the one we got earlier, those white ones.
Yeah, but
I have a vision.
Oh,
for
you
it as
want
well.
to color it?
I want to change the sole.
Of course she
into a
does.
different
That's
color.
what she wants to do. So yeah, these are the platform sort of chunky white boots. We have them in all white already, like Mommy said, but the idea is to change the sole so that that would look very cool. I don't think I've seen a white boot like that ever. With a coloured sole.
Yeah.
So that would
I
look
haven't
incredible.
seen it either. That's if somebody doesn't steal my idea.
Yeah.
Because most of the coloured ones, they are black.
Yeah.
The white ones don't have... Yeah.
And I have a funny feeling that the white would be easier to work with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
It would look really, really cool. So these ones are a size 6. And I think they were... How much? They were $79.99 originally.
And we got it for $15.99.
So yeah, it definitely came down quite significantly. But with the colours, it would be in trend. It would be look cool, very edgy, very, very happy. So I think I'm liking the vision. If you had to choose the colour, what would you choose first?
For the bottom?
Yeah.
You know, green is shouting in our faces for God knows how long. So I'm more inclined to go with green, but I want to do something different. So I'm still toying between green and then chartreuse.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm liking. Okay, well guys, that's it for this unboxing. Very, very nice pieces that I really, really liked. I think the clubs have really thrown me off, so I'm happy with those ones in particular.
Oh really?
Yeah. But yeah, that's it we have for today. Mommy, anything you want to add or anything you want to say?
I think that's it. I mean, we'll just do the styling and try on so people get to see it as
how
well.
it looks and how it fits.
And I think we have more styling videos coming, so you
look
guys
out for those.
Look out for it and then support it.
Yeah. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys in the next one if it fits.
Feel free and have fun styling it.
Bye guys.
Bye.